Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to break in to your Mazda truck or Ford Ranger. You'll have to bear with me. I'm doing this solo, so I'm working with the camera. But if you have anything, a screwdriver or stick, anything, I'm going to go ahead and lock the door. Make sure I got my keys first. Door's locked. And close it. So essentially we're locked out at this point. If you got a screwdriver, a stick, anything, you can come over here and lift the handle and enter right where the entrance is, that hole is, and you'll feel the lock, and then you can begin to push up at that point. Voila. Hope it helps you.